Hi guys, welcome to our new video. Today we're gonna show you how to fix that error of Outlook. And I did reinstall Microsoft Office, the entire package, but still I still find that error. So what is the error here? So I'm gonna go to my start, then I look for Outlook. This is Outlook at the first thing here. Double click it. Okay, if you say okay, you get that error. You can see the error. What it says: cannot start Microsoft Outlook, cannot open the Outlook window. The set of folders cannot be opened. Error have been detected in the file. Okay, location, you can see that's where the file is. Outlook PST. You can see that's where they told us. That's Microsoft Outlook. Then you can see that's the error where we find this. OD APT, you can see that's where they tell us. That's where the stress is. So now let's try to go to that place and see. You can find yourself that we go to C. We go to users. Then we go to OD. Then we go to app data. Then we go to, once we're there, local. Okay, then we go to, can we following the same pattern, local. Then we see Microsoft. Please get Microsoft. After Microsoft, then Outlook. Then we go to find out Outlook here. Then this the thing they talk about Outlook. What file is that? Outlook PST. Quit, whatever. Okay, let's see. We don't see any Outlook PST. Outlook personal folder. We in here, but we can't see that. Okay, now there is something we're gonna try to do. We can go back here and go to program files here, and you go to Microsoft Office here and look for Trove here, Office Trove, and there is a file called apt here, and you go down, Outlook PST. Okay, Outlook. There should be a file called Outlook PST. Yeah, that file, we should find that file, and we try to click on it. No, it's not Outlook, it's called Scan. Not Outlook, it's Scan. Yes, Scan host, Scan PST, that one. So once you own that file, try to double click it and see what's gonna happen. Okay, it's gonna ask us something. Then let's close this one and say enter the name of the file you want to scan. Okay, that's where we're gonna go. Let me see. We're gonna go to Outlook. Let's find the Outlook file. we have to scan. Okay, guys, there's a bit of something which I skipped, and I'll show you. I selected a file, and I'm gonna show you which file I selected. You can see this is the file I selected here. You go to local, you go to your users, the user, the app data, local machine, Microsoft, Outlook, outlook.pst. Sometimes you won't find PST, you're gonna see it's gonna be like Outlook only. So that you click next, the previous screen, you didn't see it, but I'll show you after. Then after, it's gonna scan and see if there is some errors. Yes, it tells us that there were found errors were found in this file to repair this file. Okay, they tell you to do what? To make a backup before. So I don't need a backup for that. I'm gonna just say repair. I'm gonna say repair. I'm repairing this. It took long time to do that. That's why I did not show you that, but I'm gonna show you again now. I'm repairing the file. That's the file. So I scanned it. After scanning, so it was telling me the file, it was passing stages and stages and stages. So it was gonna take a lot of time. So, but that's the file you select. I'm gonna even go back and I show you after doing this. So you can see even the repairing process takes a lot of time. Let's wait and see. You just have to be patient. So I'm trying to do things whereby you don't have to spend a lot of time, but you're gonna watch what's gonna do. But in real life, you're gonna spend a lot of time to fix this. Okay, for meantime, I'm gonna pause, then I'm gonna come back when there's another step to do. Yes, guys, once it's done, it's gonna disappear. That screen is gonna disappear. Then we're gonna try to see if we can open our Outlook. Let me go back here. I'm trying to say Outlook. It might even maybe require you to start your computer. Let's see. Voila! Yes, guys. You don't need to start your computer. Everything is super fine. Nothing you need to do else. You saw what we did. I'm very happy that we managed to fix that. Okay, I promised something before this. I promised you something. I did promise you something to show you something else. Okay, you saw every step where we passed, but one thing I didn't show you was, you see, repair complete. There was a file I was supposed to show you. That file, no, I just had to select the file. So let me see what I'm gonna do, but I'm happy that the solution worked for us. We're going to do what? To navigate to that file, then we get it right. You get me? So the PST file repair tool is what we did use. So remember where we went to, then we selected a file and it told us select any file to scan, whatever, all that. So that's where we're gonna go back and see. So we're gonna go to program files. We're done, guys. Anyway, if you did follow up, but you know it takes time though. I did use some tricks to pause the video and go there and there, so that we do find the appropriate stuff without spending a lot of time. So okay, you can go to do that. Then you look for, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna go to program files, then we go to Microsoft Office, then we go to Office version program files. So if you're using a 64-bit, you can go here. If you're using a 32, you can go here, click there. Then we look for, what do we look for? We're gonna look for Microsoft Office. So scroll down here. This is the office we have to. Then after there you say this is the office version you use. I'm gonna select 12 here. After selecting 12, then what you're gonna do, we're gonna look for the file we do what we're looking for. Okay, yeah, so find that file, scan pst. So you can scroll down. Remember we were in this, but now the thing I didn't show you the file we are supposed to what to choose. After here, you're gonna go down. Please look for scan. Okay, pst, scan pst, ISO scan, splash scan. Is there any scan? Okay, there's scan pst.64, scan pst. I did take this one, I didn't take anything else. You take this one, you can see that we did take it anyway before you saw. So you do take this one. Okay, then it says select a file. This is where we didn't go. So that's where. So you can see where we went is you go to users, OD. No, audit means that's gonna be your what, your username, your name anyway. So you select this file, Outlook file. So you're gonna go to users, users, updater, local, Microsoft, Outlook. Okay, let me go there anyway. You go back here. You're gonna go to users, find users. Yes, you go to users. I guess you can see. Then you go to your name on the computer. Then you go to updater. Then you go to local. Then you go to okay, Microsoft. Yes, we go to Microsoft. You sure? Yes. Okay, let's see if you don't find Outlook here. Okay, there's no Outlook here. Microsoft. Then we go to Office. Then in Office, no, we don't go there. I did forget. You don't go there. Let's see. Yes, instead of going there, then you go to Outlook. Instead of going to Office, go to Outlook. Then in Outlook, this is when you're gonna find this file. So you select this file. This is the only file. Select Outlook. It's gonna be Outlook. It could be outlook.what, but select Outlook. Then you say open. After opening, then you're gonna say start scan. I did scan, you saw. So once you start scanning, it's gonna go to phases and phases and phases until when it's gonna show that last step I showed you, whereby you have to repair. Then you click repair. After repair, everything's gonna be fine, guys. I was facing this problem, and now my Outlook is fine, and I'm happy. Outlook, I'm happy, guys. We managed to get that thing working. So I'm opening Outlook. You're gonna see it's gonna work straight, no stress. You can see my Outlook is here. I can do whatever I need to do. You can see that everything is working perfectly, 100%. All the emails, everything, there's no stress on everything. I can send, I can receive emails. Yeah, no, thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if the video helped you, and see you in the next video. Share our content, ask a question if you need to ask a question. Bye bye. Okay.